Hello and welcome back to the Cozy Nest YouTube channel, where I challenge myself to film every single deal that Costco has going on this month. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started off with the Shark Turbo Blade XL. Now Costco has had these in warehouse for quite a while, so I think they're trying to clear out inventory by marking them down about $40, which means they're available right now for $160. Now right next to it, if you're getting into working out this summer or just, like to make smoothies at home, they do have these blend bosses on sale. Now the thing I really like about these is you can actually blend it all in that cup, pick it up, and then transfer it right into a regular lid, so you don't have to have extra dirty dishes. These things are super handy and on sale for only $90 right now, which seems like a really good deal. Now, of course, this one's been really popular. These color trash cans go on sale every year, and I'm telling you guys, I see them sell out very quickly. Now they have that slow close, soft lid, and a fingerprint resistant finish, so that means if you have little ones in the house, you don't have to worry about constantly wiping this thing down to get rid of fingerprint smudges. I really like how these things look, and they're available right now for about $60. And up next, let's check out this 2-pack of luggage. Now, if you're looking to upgrade your luggage or just worried about things getting damaged, I've always wanted to pick up one of these hard shells. Now, again, this is one of those things that come out every year, and they're on sale for $40 off. And next, we have the Ninja Slushies. These things were super popular last year, especially if you love to make some adult beverages. You can pretty much make anything into a frozen slushie, and they're available for $220. So it's definitely a great grab for hosting this summer. Now, next up, Costco has these Philips all-in-one trimmer. These come with 24 tools and accessories, so you're pretty much covered for your entire body, and they're available for only $45, which is honestly a great price for a trimmer. And next, we have this Off Clean Feel Bug Repellent, which is great because it doesn't give you that greasy feeling. These are great for mosquitoes and regular ticks, and they're available for $15. Heading on in a little bit deeper to Costco, we have these reversible cotton throws. They're 50 by 70 inches, and honestly, I think these would be great not only as a couch blanket, but maybe if you have a spare bedroom and you're looking for an extra quilt to go on top, this is a great option, available for only $16. Or if you need a whole new set of sheets, they do have these cotton sheets, 680 count, for $65. Now, speaking of if you have guests in the house and you're looking to do some hosting, they do have these foldable tables. These are from Lifetime. They're about 48 inches high and available for $20 off right now. And then we have these Mikasa gallery frames. Now, these come in a set of 3, and as you can see, they look absolutely beautiful. They have plenty of mounting points and are available in both this black color as well as a gold trim. I personally really like the black, but let me know what you think your style is. These are on sale for about $5 off. And then we have a really good deal on these Adidas Cloud Foam Technology running shoes. Now, these are available for only $29, and they come in both black and white, although sadly it looks like they only come in sizes 6 through 10. And then let's check out these Minolta point and shoot digital cameras. They can shoot photos in 48 megapixels as well as video in 4K footage, which is actually the same quality I'm shooting in on my phone right now, so I'm very impressed for this deal for only $80. Now let's head on into the TV section to check out all these deals that they have on soundbars going on right now. Now this is the Sonos Era 100 2-pack. These come in a 2-pack that can be placed around your room and be controlled via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and they're on sale right now for $345. Or you can look right next to it at these Hisense Dolby soundbars with 2 speakers. They come with Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth connectivity, and a 4K pass-through, and have a $20 deal going on for them right now. Now this is the big boy. This is the Sonos ABC Ultra soundbar with Dolby Atmos. These things are the whole package, great if you have a big movie room or just have a big family room that's really lacking in the sound department. They normally go for about $1,100, but right now you can grab one for $900. And last up for our soundbars, we have this Samsung soundbar with a subwoofer package. These are great as a bedroom setup and are available right now for $300. And next we have this Trizanti Aurora 47-inch adjustable height desk with LED backlighting. Now these are great whether you're a gamer, have a kid at home, or you just want something a little bit more interesting for your home office. They come with a front storage drawer, an outlet on the side to plug in your phone or small devices, and they have them on sale for about $200. And up next we have 2 laptop deals. These are the HP Snapdragon laptops. They both have up to 34 hours of battery life, have a 2K touchscreen, and are on sale for either $899 for the 16-inch or $599 for the 14-inch. Up next, we have the Samsung Odyssey G5 curved monitors. They come with QHD, 165Hz refresh rate, and a 1 millisecond response time, and have a great deal going for $70 off. Up next, we have a deal I might actually have to pick up for myself. Check out this Northridge Home Monterey Bay accent console. Now, these come with adjustable shelves, soft close hinges, and adjustable levelers just in case you don't have a perfectly flat floor. I personally think the walnut finish on this looks really nice, and they're available for only $350. Now, I've seen a lot of people talking about these Oura rings online. Personally, I wear a smartwatch, but I do like how non-bulky these are. So they look super discreet like a regular wedding ring, but they track all your health data. Now, the gold is the only one that's on sale right now for $400. $30. And up next, we have these evergreen LED porcelain lanterns. Now, these are for indoor use, but you can put them outside in a covered area. They're fully rechargeable and available in both white and black and on sale right now for only $20. Now, next up, we have these vintage style area rugs. These are 7x10, available in 3 colors, and are on sale for $40 off. Or if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, they also have these Norris & Home Hastings area rugs. They're a little over 5 feet wide and 7.5 feet tall, and available in 3 styles as well. However, these are on sale for only $60. And next we have some fridge deals. This is the Medea 18.7 cubic foot fridge with a bottom pull-out freezer. As you can see, it's your standard size fridge and freezer combo with all the shelves you could ever need. Now this one isn't a huge sale, only at $50 off, but this Hisense fridge/freezer combo is actually my preference. This thing is 17.1 cubic feet and is actually garage ready, so you don't have to worry about putting it outside, not having the cooling functions you need. Now I really love that this can be used both as a refrigerator or a freezer, which means if you have a big family and you like to stock up, this has you covered no matter what your needs are. Now, this also has a $50 sale, but I think it's a really great grab at $500. Now, it is patio and pergola season, which means Costco has quite a few available. I personally really love the look of this Yardistry 12-foot by 14-foot gazebo. Now, keep in mind, these do come ready to assemble, but you might need a permit in some areas, so make sure to check your local laws before grabbing this and putting it up. Now, if you want something with a little bit more of a modern look instead of that wood and tin look, they also have these Mirador aluminum pergolas. Now, they're actually louvered, which is really nice, so you can open it up and let that sunshine in, or you can close them to help keep yourself covered in case of rain. Now, they also have built-in gutters, so if it does rain, it keeps it off to the sides, and they're also on sale for $400. Next up, we have these Wazoo globe fans. These are great for cooling down your bedroom and on sale for $10 off. Or right next to it, they have these Shark Chill Pills. Now, these have a miniature fan, or they actually have a cooling function to the touch, so you can have 2 minutes of instant cool function. You can put it in your hand and cool down. These are on sale for $30 off. Or another product by Shark. This is the Shark Flex Breeze. This is a little bit more of a tower style fan and on sale for $30 off as well. And next, if you're like my wife and I just gave up on fans altogether, this is the Medea Smart Inverter Portable Air Conditioner. These things are great for a small space like a bedroom or a smaller living room, 550 square feet, and they're on sale for $110 off, which is a great grab for this hot summer. Or if you want something just to pop right in your window, Medea also has these window AC units. Now, I would be careful because a lot of big apartment units are actually banning these right now just because of the damage that they cause over time. These are a great option for a smaller bedroom as well and on sale for $100 off. And next, if you have a small shop or maybe a garage that you like to work in, they do have these DeWalt shop-style fans. These things are quite sizable, pump out quite a bit of air, and are on sale for $64.99. And right next to it, DeWalt also has a shop vac available. These are great for cleaning out your garage or a quick car vacuum, and they're on sale for $73.99. Up next, we have these Arctica acoustic wall panels. These are great for a little bit of sound absorption. Now, it doesn't mean that it completely soundproofs a room, but it's great to help knock down a lot of that noise that you would get from a TV or an office, and it's also on sale for $20 off. Now, let's get some superior suction with this multi-clean portable deep cleaner. This is a great little quick shampooing option for carpets or maybe your car if you have big spills. These are available for $79.99. Or if you need a quick little portable table, this is also right by those DeWalt fans that I just showed you. This is a great little workbench if you need a quick setup and you don't want to use a kitchen table, and they're on sale for $40. And next, let's check out a couple vacuum sales that Costco has going on. This is the Tanico Hammerhead style vacuum. This is a 3-in-1 mop vacuum and self-cleaning unit. This one's on sale for $219. Or right next to it, they also have these Shark Power Detect cordless vacuums. These come with a really cool function of as soon as you put it in the base, it auto empties itself, and these are available for $350. And right next to that, they also have the Dyson Ball Animal 3. Now, this is, of course, Dyson brand, so you have a lot of trusted reliability, and they're on sale for $279. Next up, they have some home air filters on sale. Honestly, these things never go bad, so I just go ahead and stock up at the $35 price point. Next up, we have these Tremonti stainless steel 8-quart multi-cookers. These are great for cooking pasta or steaming your vegetables, maybe clams or some other seafood if you're into it. Honestly, I just love the fact that it's cutting down on dishes a little bit, and these are on sale for $30. Next up, if it's time for a restock on your Tupperware, they have these Snapware kits available right now. This is 38 pieces altogether and on sale for $15. Next up, they have these Roborock robot vacuums available. These are great for combating if you have pets that shed a ton and need constant vacuuming. Honestly, anything that helps, and they're available for $120 off. And next, they have these Shark Flex Fusion Air Style kits. These dry, curl, air straighten, and gloss with no heat damage, and they're on sale for $100 off. Up next, they have a great refresh if you need a new coffee maker. This is kind of a ninja all-in-one system. It has a milk frother. It can take regular coffee grounds as well as pods, so you can keep everybody in the family happy. These are on sale for only $100 right now. Up next, sticking with the kitchen gadgets, check out this 10-in-1 digital air fryer. Now, this has 6 cooking functions as well as 4 air fryer presets. It's great for cooking for the whole family, and they're available for $150. Or if you want something a little more straightforward, they also have these Gourmet 8-ounce digital air fryers for $45. Up next, they have this Nordic Ware 2-pack of pizza pans. These come with a perforated pan and one smooth pan, so you don't have to cook your pizzas just right on the oven grate anymore for only $15. Next, they have this 24-piece flatware set with a caddy. These things look really nice and honestly would be great for a picnic day or maybe just setting on your dining table. They're available in both brown and gray and on sale for $23.99. Now, speaking of kitchen upgrades, Kohler does have this Kohler Haiku Semi-Pro kitchen faucet available right now for $124. Or you can update the entire thing with the Kohler Bravo kitchen sink kit. Now, this comes with everything you see here, including the grate, the cutting board, the faucet, literally everything to have a brand new kitchen sink. Now, they do roll these out every year, but I think it's a great deal at only $320. Or maybe it's a great time to upgrade your bathroom with this Landia 6-piece bathroom hardware collection. These are available right now for only $20. Next, let's step outside for some gutter protection. These are easy to install gutter covers that work with almost any roof type. They fit standard 5-inch gutters or smaller and are available for $50. Up next, we have these Gorilla 5-shelf storage racks. Now, these are made out of metal and can support up to 800 pounds and are on sale for $80. Next up, if you guys have a camping trip planned, check out these Timber Ridge Director chairs. Now, these things are very, very comfortable and even come with a side table for your drink, your iPad, or anything else you need. They fold up completely flat and are available for $40. And for that camping trip, make sure to grab one of these 13 by 13 foot push-up canopy tents. These are also great if you have kids in sports and need something to keep cool this summer. They're really easy to set up with that center push, fold into this bag for easy carrying, and are available for only $120. And of course, another must-have is one of these Yukon Igloo coolers. Now, these are actually 70 quarts, which means they can hold up to 112 cans, come with advanced UV protection to keep everything cool, and include that wire basket, a drainage plug for easy draining, and of course 4 cup holders on top to set your drinks down. These are a great deal for only $130. Up next, we have these Dino Trap outdoor bug traps. These trap and kill all flying insects and not just mosquitoes. There's no zapping, and they're on sale right now for $45. Up next, let's check out this Tobin Sports Endeavor Elite paddleboard. These are a stand-up paddleboard that comes with everything you need, including a pump, fins, your paddle, and a carrying bag so you can pack it up and take it with you wherever you want to go. These things are so much fun. I actually have one myself that I bought last summer, and they're available for $250. Up next, we have this KidCraft Summit Vista Play Center. These have literally everything your little munchkins could ever want to play with, including a rock wall, a slide, a fireman's pole, swings, and so much more. They're a great addition for any backyard and on sale for $300 off. And you already know with the World Cup right around the corner, they had to bring out some World Cup plushies. These come in 3 packs of the different mascots and are on sale right now for $25. Now let's head back to the outdoor section for some patio upgrades. This is the Polywood Eastport Lounge Chair. Now these things are made with polywood, so they last longer and you don't have to worry about it warping over time with the sun. They come with a 20-year guarantee and are available for $150. And next we have this Greenworks 80-volt self-propelled electric mower. Now, I've actually never tried an electric mower before, but honestly, if I'm going to be upgrading from my gas mower soon anyways, this seems like a great option. I love the idea of never having to mix fuel or worry about oil again, and they're on sale for $100 off. And lastly, we have this Suncast Modernist sliding door shed. This is a great upgrade for your backyard, especially if you're talking about picking up that new mower that I just showed you. This is the perfect way to store some of your backyard items, and they're on sale right now for $7.99. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. That's 70 plus items that are on sale right now at Costco. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.